What's up, gun lovers? This freak guy. I'm gonna review this Beretta APX CO2 steel BB shooter. Say it shoot 395 feet per second. I just put fresh CO2 in it. I got the chronograph set up. I'll do a quick shooting review and do a velocity first and then accuracy. See what it do. Costs about between 60 70 bucks. I paid 70 for it at Bass Pro Shops, so it's gonna always cost a little more there. 20 round stick magazine. Got BBs popping out the magazine already. That was probably on me though, so I ain't gonna blame the gun just yet. I ain't shot it yet. It got blowback, but you know, it don't really load BBs when you cock it. It just blow back, I guess, for the cool look, but that's cool with me too. I also got this here. That's a new one too. 6 hour P320 30 shot belt magazine. It's blowback too, same thing. No hammer, double action only, both of them. Safety right here, off safety, on safety. No cutout on the slide, it just blowback or whatever. It actually got a little kick to it. I shot this one, I haven't shot the other one. But I'm gonna do another video with this one too. But that's for later. For now, we're gonna go back to the Beretta APX. It says it shoot 395 feet per second. Let's find out. All right. Safety glasses. Now I'm just gonna shoot I don't know, it got 20 rounds. I guess I'll shoot 10, maybe see what it do. I ain't gonna really wait and let the CO2 go down. I'm gonna just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bam. 10 shots. Alright. 394. Okay. Sound like about what they say. Got a nice smooth pull to it too. That one didn't read. Seemed like it got a little punch to it though. It's up there. Hey, say 395. It's up. It's getting there. Got a nice little kick to it too. So what was that? 10 shots. That's 11. Okay, so let's get a quick average, and then got a high 404, low 376, average 390. 28.8. Okay, so I mean, not bad. I'm gonna move this out the way, and we're gonna do an act. All right, gunners, we back for the accuracy portion of the Beretta APX BB gun. It lock back when it go empty, so that was kind of cool, I guess. Got the catch release, just real soft blowback, but it got a nice kick to it. I'm gonna do a just so you can see the blowback a little bit. Here, let's do a little bit right here. Turn my camera a little bit, just so you can see the blowback. Just so you can see it. Now, I'm aiming at this here from 7 yards. Actually, it's like 22 feet, but keep it simple. See what kind of accuracy it got. I shot the first them shots through the chronograph plus the remainder of those shots out of this CO2. So this CO2 been shot with like 20 plus those 3 I just did. So let's see what it's hitting like from about 7 yards. Those last 2 I was actually aiming at the little I was aiming at this on the last couple of ones, but I missed it anyway. So I mean, that ain't bad. It had like maybe 1 hole in it or something like that, but those first few was up in there good. So you get the point. Pretty nice shooter, I think.